everyone, welcome to the Techie Guy channel. As you have seen the title, today we are going to build text to speech converter. So after this video, you will learn how to convert any text or string into a speech. And please stay till the end of the video because in between the video, I am going to share one Udemy course coupon of Adobe Illustrator. Let's see the project. Okay. Let's see the libraries used in today's project, that is text to speech. Only one library will be used, that is PyTTSX3, and this is the only library which will convert your text into the audio and audio files, you can say. And you know how to install a library in Python, that is open your CMD and type pip install PyTTSX3, and you can refer to my first video if you are not able to install the library. Let's see what are the goals of today's video. So there are two goals. First one is how to convert our text into speech, and second goal of today's project is how to convert our text into a .mp3 file. And for doing all the things, this what we will need only one library of Python, that is PyTTSX3. Actually, in the internal part, this library callbacks our events of the drivers which are present in our system. So let's move ahead with the coding part. Let's see how to write our program in Python to convert our text into a speech and how to convert our text into an MP3 file. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to import our library, that is import pyttsx3. Now what we will take an variable engine, and in that we will use pyttsx3 function, that is init. First we will initialize our library in our variable. Then what we will do, using the .say function. So inside the pyttsx3 there is a function .say which will convert our text into the speech. So if whatever we will write inside this, like hello world, welcome to my channel, and what we need to do after writing this, now it has converted our text into the speech. Now we need to run this project. So for running this project in pyttsx3 there is another function .run and wait. So actually what is happening here, first let's see whether our program is running or not. So let me run it. Run module. Okay.
Hello world, welcome to my channel.
So yeah, as you can see, it has said, well, hello world, welcome to my channel. So actually what is happening here, this line engine.say is converting our text into the speech, and first we are initializing our library, then we are converting our text into the speech, and at the last we are calling our function to run. So till now what we have done, we have done our first target part, that is text to, what was our first target? Our first target was convert a text into the speech. Now our second target is how to convert a text into a MP3 file. Let's see what we need to do. Like if we want to convert this hello world, welcome to my channel into a MP3, what we can do, we need to change the function. So let's try another line of writing this only, engine dot. So the function will be used here is save to file, and this is the inbuilt function of pyttsx3 library. Now we will make a mp3 file using our text hello world, welcome to my channel, and comma. Now we need to write the file name of our mp3, test.mp3. Yeah. Now what we'll do, we will run the project. So first it will execute
Hello
this
world,
line,
welcome to my channel.
and now it has saved our this line hello world welcome to my channel into a test.mp3 where our source file is present, and our source file will be present where we have saved this Python file. So let me show you. uh, Text to speech. Yes, you can see one test.mp3 file is present. Let's run this and listen.
Hello world, welcome to my channel.
So yeah, as you can see,
Hello world, welcome to my channel.
hello world, welcome to my channel. The audio is saved in our system. And yeah, and the giveaway of today is this. So yeah, what need to do? You need to open this link. This link I will provide in the description. Let me open this link. And what you need to do, you need to apply this coupon. Let me copy it, and you need to paste here, apply coupon. See, it is of 700. Let me apply. Yeah, now you can see it is free of course. Yeah, thank you for today's course, and don't forget to subscribe and share.